Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Master John GIS Academy. Now we are going to talk about polyline or line. We are going to talk about the properties of the polyline feature, which are colors and shape or width. And now we have opened our fresh ArcMAP app here, and then we need to add a polyline spatial data. In this case is shapefile. I will select this, the road network, and we can double click or click add, up to you. Now we have one polyline feature, which symbolized by this icon. We will change the color by two ways. First, and the main way is the properties dialog, and the properties dialog can be reached by two ways. First, we can right click. Okay, I am the right-handed guy, so when I say right click, so I click the right button on my mouse. If you are left-handed, you can follow it along. You can customize it. So here we right click properties, and there we click symbology tab in layer properties dialog, or we can double click the road network layer like this and double click. Okay, and the same layer properties dialog popped up, and we can click the symbology tab here, and we click the single symbol under the features tree, and here the symbol, we click here, and another dialog is popped up, which is symbol selector, and here is the predefined shape by Seri, like highway, ramp, expressway. What is it? What is it for? So we can make the properties easier by select one of these predefined style. Like we click highway here, the current symbol preview shown up. Highway, ramp, major road, expressway, and we can click OK to see how it affects our display. And we can click apply here. We can also click OK, but if we click OK, the symbol here will be affected our display, but it also close this dialog. So the best practice is, in my experience, we click apply first to see the change, and if we satisfy, then we can click OK. Now we click apply first, and there it changed, something like that, and apply. Good. Now we will change it manually by here, color. Maybe we will change by the dark blue, and the width is okay, but then I want to decrease the width here, and zero is nothing. See here the preview, so I want to make it 1 there, and I change the color by maybe brown and apply. Okay, there. Okay, there is two ways to access the layer properties dialog. Now the second way to change the color of our polyline feature by click the symbol just once, not double click, just click once, and there the symbol selector dialog is popped up the same way, but we miss the apply button here. So we need to, for example, we click OK here. Then if we want to change, we need to click the icon again. The same. And I want to change it 1, maybe. It's up to you. Okay. Yeah, that is okay. That is how to change the polyline feature color and width, and you can also say it as its properties. Okay, thank you.